So friends, welcome back to the Kosher Logger channel, and this is the last challenge of the day. So for today's challenge, I have kept some beauty products here like I told in my previous video. So these are all the beauty products which I got from my home. So I'll apply this stuff on their hands and make them smell and decide what is what. So for this I'll be carrying some few tissue papers also. They have to decide after all what is it. So please stay tuned. Friends, right now I'm carrying this upstairs. I hope they are not cheating, that is removing their face or removing their blindfold actually. Okay, they are still there. They are not opened it. You can see both of them are blindfolded. Now I'll keep all my stuff here. Okay, I have kept everything. So we'll start the game shortly. So friends, the first thing I have kept it here, the first item, they are getting the smell, but they won't be able to guess it. Wait, I'll put Blessie's hand in that right now. I put it in a small plate, so I'll put her hand first.
Yeah.
Now tell me, what is it? You can touch more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Enough.
What is that?
Shampoo.
You can at least tell me like what is that item?
This is a men's item.
Okay.
The smell is very, very familiar. I think might be some shaving cream or something like that.
So she's not able to decide. So you people know what is this actually?
Or gel.
You have 10 more seconds, Blessy.
I'll go with the shaving cream or something like that.
Okay, so she decided shaving cream. Unfortunately, that is wrong, Blessy. It is men's Vatika hair gel. Unfortunately,
See, I told gel.
obviously I can't help you in this.
Okay, guys.
So you decided that it's a shaving cream. So unfortunately, Blessy loses this. So she has two more chances. I'll give you two more items, 2 to 3 more items. So stay tuned. So guys, I have arranged tissue papers also. Now I'll clean her fingers.
I'll
Yeah, she's cleaning. You get only one tissue paper. You
Yeah,
are
no
wasting too much of my stuff here. Okay,
problem.
remove the tissue paper. Next item. Show me your palm. Okay, decide. I put in your hand.
What will I do? This is very.
You just stand there. You should not understand. So Viola is getting.
This is sanitizer.
Okay, so she has decided the next item correctly. So you can rub your hands. Nothing is there in that.
Okay.
Now the next item, which is the most difficult one. Actually, Viola's items are easier to decide actually compared to Blessie's. So again, show your palm.
Yeah, they want me to lose.
Yeah.
They
So-
want me to lose.
Now stop doing that. Now show your palms again. I'll put some few drops on your hand. So I have put the item in the hand. So she doesn't know what is it.
Yeah, sanitizer and this is mixed.
Okay. So she can smell it. If you want, I'll open the bottle and give you the smell. Smell it.
I'm not getting the smell.
Okay, she's not able to get the smell. So it's an oily item. That is the clue I can give you.
Serum.
What serum is it?
Wow.
Friends, you can see here which serum this is. So if she's able to tell the company, like how she told wow, if she's able to sell the company, she wins. Are you able to?
I think this is Vedic's.
Continue.
Vedic's, I guess.
What item it might be? What serum it might be for?
Yeah. Face serum. I think.
Oh, finalize the.
No. Hair serum.
Finalize the face or hair. Finalize it.
Face.
Huh? So unfortunately, Blessy loses this round as it's a hair regrowth formula serum,
Oh my God.
and she missed it. So a big Buddha is sitting here. Now, Blessy, you can remove your blindfold. So Blessy gets only 1 point. Unfortunately, 2 of the stuff she's not able to answer. Now next is Viola. Viola, come this way. Viola is standing from a long time and not able to.
Okay.
Okay, so Blessy, kindly hold the camera for me. Blessy looks like the bandit queen with that red pallu on her head. So these three items will be now replaced with other three items. So you want to wash hands. So Viola, I will give you a tissue paper right now. It will be provided here. So Viola, your hand.
Yeah, put something. What is that? Wait, what is that?
No, mix it.
You have to guess it.
Yeah,
Not
what is
asking
that?
what is that.
What is that?
It's a shaving cream.
Yeah.
It's
she's-
a Gillette shaving
Yes, absolutely correct.
She knows company and all. Full
She
experience.
even told the company compared to Blessy.
Thank you, thank you.
Now you can wash it off.
Okay.
Start.
So I brought my next product here. See this product. Earlier it was a shaving cream you all saw. I don't think she'll be able to say this easily. It's a bit tougher compared to Blessy's. So I put a little bit and you can smell it. If you are able to tell the company, you will win.
What is this?
Smell it and decide. We are not answering.
Oh, wait.
Don't eat.
Yeah.
Oh, man. This is some gel. It's a gel, I feel.
Yeah, you cannot predict. I'll give you 10 more
It's
seconds.
a face wash.
Okay, I'll
Face
give you
wash
10
or gel or what is it?
Yeah, confirm.
Confirm and tell. In 5, 4,
No,
3,
it's a face wash.
Okay.
2, 1.
Okay.
Confirm.
You confirm with the face wash, huh?
Yeah, it's a face
Okay,
wash.
she has confirmed.
So
with the face-
absolutely wrong answer.
What wrong answer?
It's
It's, a
wrong.
face wash.
Correct
only.
answer, guys. Just giving a
Yeah,
Little
Blessy is giving
nervous.
just a small hype for herself.
Some Himalaya product.
No.
Okay,
that
that's
is wrong.
absolutely
No,
wrong.
that is not considered.
Yeah, that is not
I'll
considered.
say.
She's great. She's able to say. I wouldn't be able to say that. Now I'll come with the next item. So stay tuned. So friends, so this is a different round for Viola. I don't have much products in this house actually, apart from sanitizer, face cream, and that shampoo and all. You know, girls will be knowing everything. So I brought something special which boys apply to attract females.
Oh, God.
So this I'll put on Viola. She has to tell me the company, and if she is able to see the brand, like which type of deodorant it is, she will get 10 points from me.
Okay.
That is a special bonus.
Okay, let's
and
go.
she'll win the game also.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
I think she'll be attracting women.
I guess I know this, yeah. One second, please.
Yeah, 1.
Yeah, because it's free of cost.
Wait. No.
This is what we do, guys, in a
I should tell this is men's or women's.
huge
huh?
shopping
You
mall.
can say
This is
anything.
what
Totally
we do.
tell me the company.
This is the
Like
reality.
name.
Company I should tell. Huh?
Name you say. Company obviously not possible. Name you say.
What, man?
Very famous.
Fog. Engage.
2 chances are gone. She told fog and engage. This is a very easy thing. You have
In
2 more
5,
chances.
No,
4.
wait,
No,
wait.
let us give her time. Let's see
Okay.
whether she's able. We'll
Yeah.
keep. Okay, you have 30 seconds.
Okay.
3,
So
2,
whatever
1,
I told
start.
it was wrong. Huh?
That I can't say. You have to decide one final answer.
Denver.
Wow. Come on.
15 seconds.
Denver, I guess. I mean.
14,
She knows many names. Come on.
13.
Come on, what else? Engage.
12,
What
11,
else, dude?
10, 9, 8,
Fog. I
7,
feel.
6,
Denver.
5, 4,
Dude, it
3.
is Denver.
2, 1, 0. Time up.
Denver.
You can open your blind. You
Absolutely.
can open your blindfold.
Wrong answer.
Oh, wait. What was that?
Oops.
Oh, it's axe. Oh.
That was the most easiest one. Actually, Blessy could have answered that. But I won't give that to Blessy. You can see the card
Oh,
here.
some similar smells like this.
See
Okay,
me,
so let's
see
put the
Blessy.
points now.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's.
axe I forgot.
So friends, the last game is done. So it was a 10-point game point. So I will just put the points. So both of them answered only 2. So they will get 5 points each for answering 2. Since I didn't play the game, there will be a slash there. So 5 and another 5. So the games are done. for today. So we played a total of 6 games, one special game and remaining normal games. So there are few other games which we are going to play soon, and one special video will be done for you people regarding the FarmD stuff. A lot of people have been asking me about FarmD course and related stuff. That video will soon come, but not today. We don't have the time. We don't have the patience. So starting with Blessy, we all come
Five.
this side. So count.
It's 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
So Blessy is
Blessy
leading.
with the
You can
25.
count Blessy.
He's
So
25.
25 points leading.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now next comes Viola with 15 points.
Answer actually cancelled. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 5, 10, 15 points.
So 15 points. Viola is second.
Yay.
So there will be a gold medal and a silver
medal, and
for
then will
this
be
guy.
no
Bronze
medal. No medal for.
Since I was the host,
5.
it's 5. Since I
Plus-
was the host,
5.
and I did a lot of service and all, we'll neglect my part.
Oh.
We'll neglect it. Yeah, I don't want you to see that also. So since they have come from a long distance for my sake here for playing these challenges, I'm thankful to that actually. So I would like to congratulate the winner, Blessy Fernandez, and the assistant winner, runner-up, Viola Mendonca.
Yeah.
So friends,
If you like this channel, don't
Please
forget
do.
to like.
share.
Subscribe. Bell icon.
And
Okay.
you guys, you
Comment.
know what to do.
Yeah.
Comment.
Bye.
And if you want us to play more challenges like this, please do mention in the comments below.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.